Hey there guys, Roughly Miner coming at you with another knife review. I kind of released, I'm doing a series on budget Amazon knives, Amazon budget knives. And I kind of released one a little early. That was the, what is that? The Kanku C301, you know, that one looks like the Rat 1. This one I ordered for under 15 bucks off of Amazon, and we're looking at like an aluminum frame. The store, this just goes by green folding knife. Green folding knife, you'll find something like this. I'm guessing we got aluminum frame. It's advertised as 440 steel. Has a pocket clip, which is tip down only. Rather deep carry. No jimping on the flipper tab, and kind of a lanyard hole there with the liners, your barrel standoffs. Now, I didn't realize when I got this, it is spring assisted. So that's what we're looking at there. You got a little bit of a folder and a slot. Looks like a hollow grind, has a very interesting slight recurve, and almost a huge Japanese style tanto slash just a big bellied blade, you know, on that. So let's see how it does for sharpness. Not too shabby for 15 bucks. Okay, actually I've had some more expensive knives that didn't do as good. So how about the peanut? As always, this is hard to do. Through, okay. So it actually did get through there, guys, again. And right off the bat here, it doesn't want to cut until it gets to that, well, up here it's much, and I'm going to cut myself. Much better. Yeah. Seems like it's got more bite right through here and nothing right there. Yeah. Yeah, a little bit. So, but it's a metal that should sharpen up easily. It does not drop on its own, but you can one-hand close it. So, pretty easy. You can move up on it, get down. What I'm going to do with these, hopefully, is just kind of see what we can really get someday. I'll do a video with the Amazon budget knives and see what they're made out of. Let's just compare it like the usual. There's your Rat. That's your Rat 1. So if we take a peek here, okay. Yeah, actually this is one of the few blades that actually has a length on the Rat, sort of longer. I'm putting them pivot to pivot, and that's what you got for blade shape. How does the liner stack up? So it's actually might be a bit slimmer. Barrel spacers. Okay, the Rat's not a really good finished knife, you know. And it actually looks like it has some better finishing. And what I mean here is when you're looking at the liners here, they kind of look a little rough. A little more rough than the Rat. So let's take a peek at the lockup. Not bad, not bad. So, you know, yeah, for 15 bucks, I don't know. Just kind of trying this Amazon budget series. All right, guys. Thanks for checking out the channel.